5 seconds. The petitioner prays for issuance of a writ particularly in the nature of surgery quashing the annual confidential report for the year 2006-7 dated 17/4/2007 void which an adverse remark was recorded with respect to integrity and ability orders rejecting his representations against the adverse remarks and order by the full court affirming the adverse remarks. The petitioner was serving as civil judge, senior division, Panchkula, when the following adverse remarks were recorded in his annual confidential report for the year 2006-7. Kumar Naresh and 2013-10, 10/14/59. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. High Court, Chandigarh. Quality of work companies of conduct of business in court, irregular sitting in and officers' court, and of being rude to advocate, capacity management, distracting personality, lead friendship, initiative planning, and lacks decision making concentration in judicial work. The adverse remarks were communicated to the petitioner via letter dated 17/4/2007. The petitioner filed a representation dated 17/5/2007 praying that the adverse remarks by expuned. The petitioner appended date pertaining to disposal of cases, a letter addressed to the Bar Association Panchkula seeking a resolution from members of the Bar Association Panchkula about his integrity, a resolution passed by the District Bar Association Panchkula expressing its opinion that the petitioner is an upright and honest officer, and comments forwarded by the petitioner in response to a transfer petition filed against him. The petitioner also alleged that the adverse remarks are the result of malafide of respondent number 3, a practicing advocate who had filed a transfer petition against the petitioner. The representation was rejected by a detailed order dated 22/12/2007 passed by the administrative judge and affording an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioner. The order need not be reproduced in extenso, but a relevant extract from the other order reads: Kumar Naresh and 2013 10/10 14/59. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. High Court, Chandigarh, as follows. The report regarding integrity of the officer is based upon consideration of the inputs received as administrative judge of Panchkula Sessions Division from the general public litigants and advocates. Regarding these, the complaints are generally reluctant to come in upon or file complaints. Therefore, I do not find any merit in the present representation, the same is filed. The petitioner made another representation dated 31/10/2008, which was placed before the administrative judge but was rejected on 15/3/2009 by recording that allegations against the petitioner require to be investigated in detail. The petitioner's representation dated 17/5/2007 and 13/10/2008, along with orders rejecting the representations, were thereafter placed before a committee of judges specially constituted to address grievances of judicial officers. The committee rejected the representation by recording the following order. Adverse remarks communicated to him for the year 2006-07, keeping in view the view expressed by Honorable Administrative Judge in his office noted date 5/3/2009. The committee full endorsed the views expressed by Honorable Administrative in his aforesaid office note as such for the reasons Kumar Naresh N. 2013 1010 1459. I attach to the accuracy and integrity of this document High Court Chandigarh recorded therein. The committee is of the view that there is no merit in the representation of the officer. Additionally, it is the unanimous view of the committee that the spoken reputation of the officer is of doubtful integrity. Therefore, committee recommends the rejection of the representation of the officer.